Keeping your furry friend's bed clean and fresh is essential for their health and comfort. Regularly washing your dog's bed will help to remove dirt, bacteria and odors, which will ensure a clean and hygienic resting space for your pet. Start the process of cleaning by brushing your dog's bed. Take any soft bristle brush and start to clean your dog bed. It will help to remove dead skin, oil, fungus and mildew of your dog's body. So it will remove all loose material from bed of your furry friend. Then vacuum your dog's bed. It will help to remove dog hair, dirt and other debris. Because before washing, it is very important to remove dog hairs from the bed as much as possible. You can use baking soda for deodorizing your dog bed. It will remove bed smell from your dog's bed easily. Simply sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface and let it sit for 15 minutes. And then vacuum the baking soda. It will remove bad odors easily from bed of your furry friend. Then put the bed cover in a washing machine and wash it in warm water. That will remove all the bacteria and bugs that could harm your pet's health. You should rinse the bed cover at least twice. This will remove all the dirty water and soap. Then dry your dog bed covers in sunlight. It may take several hours for dry, but your dog bed will get clean easily by this method. It will remove all bad smells from dog's bed. Carpet and upholstery cleaner is a convenient way to clean the dog's bed. Bissell portable carpet cleaner removes tough pet stains with strong spray and suction, and helps you to keep the dog's bed clean and neat. It will remove spots and stains, and also lift away messes from carpets, upholstery, car interiors and more. You will get just amazing results by using it. By following all these steps and by using this product, you can maintain a clean and comfortable sleeping space for your beloved pet. Regular cleaning ensures that your dog's bed remains a safe and cozy for them to rest and relax.